If you're a homeowner and you're thinking about replacing or repairing your roof, this video is for you. Today we're breaking down the real roofing prices across the UK, what affects the cost, how much you should expect to pay, and why the price can be very different depending on where you live. By the end of this video, you'll know how to get a fair quote, avoid overpaying, and choose a trustworthy roofing contractor near you. Let's start with the big question. How much does a new roof actually cost in the UK? On average, most homeowners pay between £80 and £150 per square metre for a new roof. This means a typical 3-bedroom home could cost anywhere from £5,000 to £10,000 depending on materials, roof size and labour costs. Here's a quick breakdown of average prices. Felt flat roof from £50 to £100 square metre. Asphalt shingles £80 to £120 per square metre. Slate roof from £100 to £150 square metre. Tiled roof from £90 to £140 square metre, and metal roof from £120 to a whopping £180 square metre. These prices usually include both labour and materials. Now, roofing prices ain't the same everywhere in the UK. If you live in London or the South East, expect to pay around 15 to 25% more than the national average. That's mainly because of higher labour costs and materials delivery fees. In the mainlands, prices tend to be right around the average, while the north of England, Wales and Scotland often see prices around 10 to 20% lower. So for example, if you're watching in Manchester, Cardiff or Glasgow, your total cost could be quite a bit less than someone in London or Surrey. There are a few key things that really affect how much your roofing project will cost. Number one, roof size and pitch. Bigger or steeper roofs take more time and material. Number two, types of materials. Slate and metal are more expensive than felt or tiles. Number three, roofing conditions. Hidden damage, leaks or rot can add unexpected costs. At number four, harder to reach areas cost more because they need extra scaffolding. Number five, location. Urban and rural areas can charge labour rates significantly up. So look, if you don't need a full roof replacement, small roofing repairs can start from around £150 to £400, while larger repairs like replacing tiles or fixing structural damage can range anywhere from £500 right up into £2,000. Remember, a small leak caught early is much cheaper to fix than waiting until it becomes a major water damage. Here are a few quick tips to make sure you get the best deal on your roof. Always get at least 3 quotes from local roofers. Check that each contractor is licensed insured and offer a warranty. And always read online reviews and ask for references before you hire somebody. And never pay in full upfront. Pay in stages as the work progresses. Look, doing a little homework can save you thousands of pounds and protect you from roofing scams. So there you have it, a full breakdown of UK roofing prices in 2025. What affects them and how to make sure you're paying a fair price. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more home improvement and roofing advice. And be sure to share this video with anyone that's planning to get a new roof this year. If you've got any questions or want to share your experience with roofing costs in your area, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and remember, before you sign anything, always make sure you're hiring a trustworthy roofer near you.